How to fix YouTube latest popular oldest option not working. So in YouTube there are three options under the videos section that are popular, latest and oldest. By using these options, you can see the creator's latest post, popular post or the oldest post. If these options are not working on your device, then follow these steps. Firstly, navigate to App Store or Play Store and open it on your device. Now go to the search bar on the top and search for YouTube. Look for any kind of updates that may be available for this application. If there are any kind of updates available, then update it. Sometimes, maybe because of late update, the options might not be working properly. Another thing that you can do is to clear cache. Tap and hold on the YouTube option and click on the eye icon. Scroll down and select the option Storage. Inside Storage at the bottom right corner, click on Clear Cache. Go back to your previous page and at the bottom right corner, click on Force Stop. Keep it turned on for some times and turn it off. Now give your device a quick restart. After restarting your device, your problem should be fixed. Again, open your YouTube app and check if the options are working properly or not. So that's all for today. Thank you.